This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 13, The Aural, Its Relevance and Impact. Music plays a vital role in creating ambience and influencing perception, with its auditory elements shaping how we experience the world around us. Our ability to recognize sound sources, localize them, and filter relevant sounds is crucial to auditory perception, while music evokes strong visual associations rooted in cultural context. Music is intrinsically tied to cultural traditions, with different perspectives regarding its origins and purposes, ranging from the divine to the dramatic and contemplative. The key elements that define music include pitch, melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre, with major and minor chords evoking universal associations of joy and sadness respectively. Music perception depends on cultural meaning and context, allowing sounds to convey distinct emotions, evoke behaviors, and serve as distractions or enhancements in multimedia environments. In multimedia experiences, carefully selected music can intensify emotional impact, amplifying textual or visual narratives through its ability to dramatize transitions from the mundane to the extraordinary. Music's ability to evoke distinct emotional experiences is shaped by elements like tempo, scale, loudness, melody, harmony, and rhythm patterns, contributing to its therapeutic potential and emotional resonance. Studies demonstrate how music can convey specific emotions like happiness, sadness, and romance, with tempo changes altering the perceived emotion of the same musical notes. Music evokes visual associations, with studies linking certain colors and visuals to corresponding musical qualities, opening possibilities for enhancing presentations and ambience through contrasting or complementary pairings. In essence, music's communicative potential lies in its ability to evoke emotions, visual imagery, and cultural associations, making it a powerful tool for enhancing multimedia experiences, conveying information, and resonating with audiences across contexts. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.